Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a gorgeous, genuine SS Chevelle right here, and this thing is loaded with options. I mean, it's really decked out. Fantastic car. I bought it out of Virginia from a collector. He has a few Chevelles. I had to work real hard to get this one out of his hands. It took me a few weeks to get this deal done, and I'm glad that I did. It's a fantastic car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs. You can get the price and photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars, all for sale. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you'll be notified and you'll see the videos first as they come out. I have 6 cars lined up that we're going to be doing this morning, so do sign up for that. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in this 67 Chevelle. It's a real SS Chevelle. It has a 138 in the VIN number. Has the factory trim tag on the cowl, and it's a genuine red with red interior car and loaded up with options. The body is gorgeous, just straight, smooth, shiny, glossy. All down here, this fits perfectly flush. There's no bubbles. That's all metal, all clean and smooth. There's no bubbles, all real nice. All the chrome, the taillights, the emblems, the bumpers, the trim. Has optional bumper guards, has the cowbell exhaust tips. That's all, looks like it's brand new. It came with a rear antenna from the factory. Someone did upgrade it to a power antenna, but that's the factory location. Looks like it's a new rear window. The stainless trim is polished. This side of the car is just as clean and straight. New door handles. All this trim looks new. Bow tie mirrors on both sides. All the stainless is done. New windshield. Those rally wheels look like the Corvette. They're 15 by 8. Got spinner center caps, all new trim. They're shiny, and some nice BF Goodrich tires. Has a nice stance. Tires are a little fatter and taller in back, so it looks really sharp. This is new. Everything up here is new, and again, optional bumper guards. It has a correct 396 motor. It's properly dated. It is the code on there says it's a 67 Chevelle 396 mated to an automatic. It's not the motor that came with the car, but they did an amazing job of finding the same exact motor that would have been in here. I checked the casting codes on the back. It is the original Turbo 400 trans, and it has its original 307 posi rear end. Underneath the car, it's got disc brakes up front. All the suspension's completely rebuilt. The whole front end is gone through. New fuel tank. Real nice fat custom exhaust. It's the X pipe in the middle. Stainless steel Flowmaster mufflers. And super clean dry metal underneath. New fuel system. Inside the car is where it gets really nice. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's really nice everywhere, but this is where it's a little more special. It has the blinker tachometer. They call it the blinker tach because it covers the blinker in the dash. So the blinker is built into the tachometer, has the factory gauges in the dash, has power windows, tilt wheel, has an AM/FM multiplex radio. Down below the dash, there's controls for the fade to front to back, to right to left, the tone. And so the stereo plays beautifully in this car. Floor mats, deluxe seat belts, bucket seats, center console, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes. So it's a really loaded up car. So you got a muscle car with some comfort. So in here, everything is done. Beautiful polished finned valve covers, chrome brake booster, polished water pump. It's an aluminum radiator, spring clamp battery cables. Air conditioning is upgraded to the 134 Freon. The whole engine bay, bottom of the hood's gloss red, has new insulation. The fan, everything's new in there. All the weather strips, window fuzzies are new, door jambs are clean. The interior is completely redone. It's got red seat belts front and back, all the chrome trim on the seats, door panels, handles, sill plates, all new. It does have some upgraded kick panel speakers. Of course, it's the last key I try. Also comes with some carpeted red floor mats that say SS. It's got a rally wheel with a BF Goodrich for a spare, brand new tire. All clean metal with the spatter paint, has a mat. Everything else is painted gloss red. Has the stickers, has new weather strip, has the jack. So very nice, clean, complete engine compartment. Interior lights work, clock works. New cushions in the seats, they feel nice and firm. Those MagnaFlow mufflers have a distinct sound. All restored, beautiful, new dash pad, new headliner, visors, new mirror. It's got great oil pressure, about 70 pounds. I want to play the radio. Now, I don't think we're going to pick up reception in this metal building, but the radio outside sounded great. Now, usually they put the car in here the evening before. We come in first thing in the morning, do our videos. That's why a lot of times the car's not warmed up. I don't want to run it too long in here. It's a little room. But this car runs fantastic. It just takes a minute to warm up. And we're going to do a test drive video, so you'll get a better feel for how well it runs. But this is a slick car. It was his pride and joy. I really did have a hard time getting him to let go of this one. He wanted to sell me one of his other cars, and this is the one I wanted, and we got it. So go to volocars.com. That's where there's plenty of ways to contact us. Our staff is here to help you. We can answer questions. You need more pictures or video or answers to anything, let us know how we can help. We have financing, we have shipping. We'll coordinate all that with you. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be the first to see these videos as they come out. Thanks for watching.